Hey guys, welcome to my product review of the Nugget Countertop Ice Maker made by Antarctic Star, found here on Amazon. Now, if you need an ice maker and you love that Sonic ice or that ice made by Chick-fil-A, love that ice. This ice maker is what you need. This ice maker makes 34 pounds of ice per day. It's 24 hours. The ice is very soft and it's very chewable. So it's not that hard, crunchy ice. It does have a self-cleaning water and ice option. So once you pour that water in, it will go ahead and clean the ice for you. And it will immediately start making ice. It takes roughly about an hour to fill up one tray of ice. And then you would dump it in your bag and pour more water if you need more ice. It does have the alert to tell you when the ice tray is full and also when it needs more water. So, yes, if you are looking for a countertop ice maker, I would definitely recommend this. So go ahead and check this out on Amazon today, guys.